In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do italics on x.com, also known as Twitter, using a free Unicode text generator. This is a quick and easy workaround because X doesn't give you a built-in italic button in the composer, but you can still create italic-style text that looks clean, professional, and stands out in your posts. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and search for a free Unicode text generator. These tools are popular because they convert normal text into special text styles that you can copy and paste anywhere online, including x.com. Once the generator opens, you'll usually see a text box where you can type or paste your message. Go ahead and type the text you want to post. This could be a caption, a quote, a promotional message, or even part of a thread. As soon as you enter your text, the generator will usually create several style options below it. Look carefully for the italic option. Depending on the website, it may be labeled as italic, cursive, or slanted text. When you find the italic version, click the copy button next to it. This saves the italicized text directly to your clipboard so you can use it instantly. At this point, your text is ready to go, and you don't need any special software or browser extension. Now open x.com and go to the post composer. Click into the text box and paste the italic text you just copied. You should see the formatted version appear right inside the post editor. Take a moment to check that everything looks the way you want it to look, especially if you're mixing italic text with regular text. If needed, you can also combine this with other formatting styles from the same Unicode generator, but for this video we're focusing on italics. Once you're happy with how it looks, go ahead and post it like normal. Your audience will now see the italic style text in your X post or tweet. And that's it. That's how to do italics on x.com or Twitter in just a few simple steps. It only takes a minute once you know where to look, and it's a great way to make your posts stand out a little more. If this video helped you, please hit like and subscribe for more easy tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.